Hey guys, are you trying to watch all the popular movies and TV shows on your Firestick but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows from around the world, including all the entertainment. This tutorial will work on any Firestick, Android, or Google device. I'll guide you step by step on how to install the best Firestick apps and which ones you'll need to stream your favorite content. So if you're just as excited as I am to cut the cord, then hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, so the first step to this whole process is to head over to the Find icon, then press the center button on your remote to select it. Here it will open a keypad for you to type in the app name. We'll be looking for the app called Downloader. You don't need to type in the whole name, just the first few letters, and the app will show in the result. Head down and select it. Okay, so this is the app we need. If you click on it once, it will take you to the page where you can download the app. From here, you'll need to click on the Get option or Download option, whichever it is, to start the download process. As the app is downloading, I will ask you to hit the subscribe button. It will hardly take a second, guys. Alright, our app is now installed. But now what I want you to do is leave the app as it is for now, because to be able to install apps through the Downloader app, we need to change a few settings on our Firestick. So I'll be pressing the Home button. Now we need to go all the way to the right, where you will find the Settings option. By selecting it, you'll get a drop-down menu. You'll need to select My Fire TV from the options. Here we will select the first option, which says About. There you go. It says here Firestick 4K Max, which is actually the Firestick model I'm using. But this process works on all the Firestick models, so you don't have to worry about that. What we need to do, and I want you to pay close attention here, is that we need to click on this option, Firestick 4K Max 7 times continuously, and I'm going to do that right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And once you do that, this is the message that will be displayed on your screen. It says here, no need, you are already a developer. As soon as you see this message, that means you've done this step correctly. Now you'll need to press back just once, and you'll notice that a new setting has been added to the list Developer Options. This option appears after completing the previous step, so we need to now select Developer Options and then go to Install Unknown Apps. Here is our Downloader app, and the permission has been turned off. What we'll do is turn this permission on so that Downloader app can indeed install apps for us on our device. So let's turn that on now. So now all the settings have been implemented. Let's press the Home button. And a lot of people have been asking me, where do we find the newly installed apps on our Firestick? So for that, you need to scroll to the right to this icon here beside the Settings icon. This is a list of all your installed apps. Remember, all the newly installed apps always go to the bottom of this page, so head over down and there you go. There's our Downloader app. Select it. So the first time you launch the Downloader app, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions that it needs to work properly. So I'll just press allow and then OK. Here you can see a search bar. What you need to do is select it and then type this short code, 730116. This is a short code from my website's Downloader page where I've compiled more than 200 apps in different categories altogether for your convenience. If you scroll down enough, you'll notice there's a whole category just for movies and TV shows, and all the links there are updated and working. Now, if you'd like the best Firestick app recommendations, head over to my website, firestickhacks.com. You'll find categories for movies, sports, and TV channels, with step-by-step guides to help you get set up. Everything is organized so you can quickly find the apps and guides that work best for you. And also join my Discord community once you're there. Once you've done that, head back over to your Firestick, go into the Movies and TV Shows category, and simply select the app you want to download. The download will start automatically, and in just a few moments, you'll be ready to launch it and start streaming. Always remember, before you start streaming, make sure your device is connected to a VPN. If you don't already have one, I've left a link in the description where you can grab Surfshark VPN at a massive 89% discount. It's one of the cheapest options out there and even lets you connect unlimited devices. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.